Danny Torres starting off strong.
Danny's got some of the best regular tricks and flip combos in the business.
Starting off with a big lazy boy backflip right into the no-handed running man.
Wow.
Big combo.
That's
right there.
Huge combo.
That is a lot going on in different directions.
Oh, the double grab flip.
Massive double grab flip. This guy's a 2011 World Tour champion, the winningest guy on Red Bull X Fighters. And I think that's
flip.
Yeah, executioner
Throw out
flip.
the executioner flip. Nice. That was a great run